So here I can simply search again Zoom website. Let's search that, and here you can see the different pages here. So for example, again, if you go to zoom.us, so this is a page that talks about the features as already shown to you earlier. And now we're going to go to sign in instead of sign up. So now if I go to sign in, here it asks me about my email and my password. The email is as mentioned earlier, admit dot test dot giki dot 2022 at gmail.com. So of course you'll get your own email here. You need to put that out correctly. So this is the email that I used earlier, and you just need to put your email and password. So I put in my email and password, and then I can sign in on this. So after signing in, it says that it has detected unusual activity and wants particular password. So I'm just going to give it the password 844217. So if I give it that password of 844217, it can then verify me. And after verification, it is going to show this page which talks about in general about the different options that are available. Here we can see the different things that we can do on the same page. And of course, the thing of interest to us is that we want to go to profiles. And in profile, you can actually see the name that appears, and basically your first name and last name combined together, as well as some other information, for example, your birthday and other things that you set up, and your phone number if you have given one, and other things here, right? So that's the whole information that's required. So if I now go to edit it, and in editing, I can actually set my display name as desired and as needed. So now I can actually set it up to, for example, your admit card number, which is 22, for example, 00001 or whatever. So whatever number you want to display, this will become basically this, and there's an information here as well that this is a name that will be shown to others on Zoom. So you need to set this correctly, and after setting it, you may not need to set any other information, and save it out. So after saving it, now you can see that I can, my name, first name and last name remain the same, but my display name is now 220001. And now when I log in with this information, I'll always have an updated info or the username shown on my Zoom account.